In this lecture, we will examine how to develop a distinctive speaking identity that aligns with your personality and professional goals. Each speaker has unique strengths, and refining your personal style allows you to connect more authentically with your audience. Objectives of the lecture. In this lecture, you will learn how to identify your natural speaking traits and refine them, ways to develop confidence and authenticity in speech, strategies for adapting your style while maintaining consistency. Identifying and refining your natural speaking traits. Your speaking identity is shaped by your voice, tone, body language, and storytelling approach. Recognizing these traits is the first step in strengthening your personal style. A successful speaker does not imitate others, but develops their own voice while maintaining clarity and confidence. Steps to identify your speaking traits. Record yourself speaking about a familiar topic, and analyze your tone, pace, and body language. Seek feedback from trusted peers or mentors about your strengths and areas for improvement. Observe your favorite speakers and identify what resonates with you without copying them directly. Refining your traits. Work on vocal variety to avoid monotony. Adjust pitch, tone, and volume to match your message. Pay attention to your natural rhythm. Find a balance between speaking too quickly or too slowly. Align your gestures and expressions with your words to improve credibility and engagement. Developing confidence and authenticity in speech. Confidence and authenticity help build a speaking identity that is engaging and memorable. Listeners respond best to speakers who appear comfortable and genuine. Building confidence. Practice regularly. Speaking in front of small groups helps reduce anxiety. Prepare thoroughly. Knowing your material well increases confidence and reduces filler words. Use pauses effectively. Allow moments of silence to let key points resonate instead of rushing through speech. Maintaining authenticity. Speak naturally rather than over-rehearsing to the point of sounding robotic. Share personal experiences or relevant anecdotes to make your message relatable. Stay true to your values. Your speaking style should reflect your genuine beliefs and communication habits. Adapting your speaking style without losing consistency. Different audiences and settings require adjustments to delivery, but consistency is key to maintaining credibility. A skilled speaker adapts their style while preserving their core identity. How to adapt without losing authenticity. Adjust your formality based on the audience. A business conference requires a more structured tone than a casual workshop. Modify your energy level. Some settings call for high enthusiasm, while others benefit from a calm, steady approach. Tailor your content. Highlight points that resonate most with the audience while staying aligned with your key message. Balancing flexibility and consistency ensures that your speaking style remains strong and adaptable in various professional and personal contexts.